be showing you all the codes in Dumpling Squishy Race today. The first one is Update 1, which is how we start like this, and all it gives you is a legendary bird. And as you can see, I already have it right now, but the next one is going to be, it's going to be 20k favorites, which there's no space in all of these, as you can tell. So basically all it does, it gives you 100 gems and 2 times power potion. And I've already used this code, and so the next one is going to be Squishy. Just give me a minute here. So it gives you, it's squishy, but all that it gives you is 1 win and 1 power potion. So yeah. And next we have the code name welcome. So as you can see, I'm typing it here, welcome, and I already used this one. So this is just gives you a cupcake and 100 gems. The next one we have is, wait, no, that one doesn't give you 1 cupcake and 100 gems. This one gives you the same thing as Squishy, 1 win and 1 power potion. Now, the one that I just typed is sorry for delay, but it is just gives you a 1 cupcake and 100 gems, and lucky dumpling that gives you 1 times luck. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and the sorry for delay is spelled SRY and then for delay. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again,